Good morning to all. Myself Alok Rathod and I'm a student of class 10. Today I am going to tell a story that is also a chapter of class 10.
Speak loudly.
Good morning to all. Myself Alok Rathod and I'm a student of class 10. Today I am going to tell a story that is also a chapter of class 10. Footprint without feet. The story that will help you to understand power is a weapon. If you use it in a right way, so it can prove good for everyone. But if you use it in a wrong way, so it can become a problem for other one. In the story, the main character is a scientist named Griffin, was a lawless and crazy person who tried to make a medicine that can make human body invisible. After some experiment, he made a medicine that can make human body invisible. Then he take the medicine and become invisible. Firstly, he wanted to take revenge to his landlord because his landlord disliked him and get rid from him. Then he set the fire in the landlord's house. Then he became homeless, so he wandering in the street in the winter. Then he saw a clothes shop. Then he entered in the clothes shop, and when the clothes shop closed, then he weared the full clothes and slept down the floor. In the morning, when the shopkeeper came into his shop, then he saw a man without face, so he shouted. The scientist wake up and hit the shopkeeper and run away from the shop. After some days, he decided to live in a lonely place, so he booked a lodge in a tourist place. Then he went to the tourist place. Then when the lounge owner saw the griffin, so he got confused because Griffin weared the full clothes. Even he covered his face by bandages. But Griffin said to the landlord, "I will pay your rent in time, but don't try to disturb me." Landlord confused, but he don't say anything to the Griffin. After some days, Griffin did not have enough money to pay the rent, so he decided to steal money someone's house. In the night, he entered in a house and stole money in someone's drawer. Then the house owner came and entered in the room. When he entered in the room, he saw the floating monies. So he called the haunted house. Then Griffin hit the house owner and ran away. When he went to the lounge, then the lounge owner said to the Griffin, "I know that you are a thief." The Griffin said, "Oh, you know, so what you do?" Then the landlord, then the lounge owner said to the Griffin, "I will call police." Then the Griffin said, "Okay, you can call." And the Griffin hit the lounge owner and ran away. Moral of the story: power is a weapon. If you use it in a right way, so it can prove an invention for the society. But if you use it in a wrong way, so it can become a problem for society. Thank you very much.
Well, okay.